Capewell is a 142-year-old defense company. Capewell focuses on two areas. One is aerial delivery, and the other is survivability. Here in Virginia, we focus on survivability solutions. So those that go into harm's way in the water survival arena, in addition to ground safety and survivability arena, they produce that type of equipment here in this facility. If you're an aviator flying over water in the military, or you're shuttling folks out to an oil rig with petroleum helicopters, you're going to usually have a breathing system, a small scuba bottle, and the flotation that you use to fly and operate over water is stuff that Capewell makes. GENEDGE, I would categorize them as a force multiplier. They're here to help shore us up and help us to continue to move forward and grow as a manufacturing organization.
My name is Bill Donahue. I'm the President and Executive Director of GENEDGE, an economic development organization that's part of the MEP National Network.
GENEDGE has provided Capewell with a number of training opportunities. Those have been focused on Lean and Six Sigma. They've provided us leadership training, and they've also provided us things like training for our new machine operators.
Capewell's also explored a number of different service offerings that MEP centers provide, starting with helping them put in their first quality management system, understanding how new manufacturing technology like additive manufacturing might be able to help them open up new ways to make products for their customer base.
We do make an enormous amount of parachute releases, and we make helicopter rescue hooks. Those are two of our prime machine products, both of which are needed for survival in military operations.
We're proud to be part of the U.S. supply chain for our military forces. Everything we do is very compliant, which means everything's made in the USA.
Quality matters. When you are jumping out of an airplane with a parachute, you want it to work. We have to go by a strict inspection system. We are now AS 9100 certified.
There are multiple generations that work in this factory, and they all come to work understanding what they do is vitally important and can make a difference.
I've served for many decades in the military, and if I can make our next generation of warriors a little bit more successful, then I wanted to embark on that journey.
They have a certain product line here that keeps fuel tanks from blowing up. I had a son who served. His MRAP got blown up. The fuel tank didn't blow up. He and his fellow Marines are all here today because of Capewell.
When you are manufacturing items that you know someone's life in the military may depend on, that gives you a vested interest in doing your best.
And the culture is very patriotic. They're committed to that mission, that I'm doing something that contributes to the success of this country, success of our military, and they know that what they do matters.